Hey guys, I'm Patrick. And I'm Moto Ramblings. And you're watching SinisterClutch.
Hey folks, today is another mail call. It's been a long time. I think this is number 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first one is out of Tennessee, and this is Tweedle D. So go check him out on YouTube and on Instagram. Got a letter here. It says, SinisterClutch, thanks for the support, Tweedle D. Hey, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. He is out of the northeastern part of Tennessee, an area that I actually know very well. Spent a long time in northeastern part of Tennessee, Knoxville area, and love the riding down there. Man, he's in a great spot. So on to the next one. Let's see. This one's out of Colorado. I know who this is. It is Adventure Tomek. And this is his stickers. Check that out. He is on Instagram as well as YouTube. And he's got a letter here. Randy, enjoy the channel. Here are some stickers. Your friend from Colorado, Adventure Tomek. He does a lot of adventure touring. Great bike. He does a lot of drone footage. Amazing drone footage. A lot of tips and tricks he's done in his past videos on installs. So go check him out when you get a chance. And if you like the content, give him a subscribe, like the videos. Let's see who we got here. Oh, this one's out of Canada. Okay, this was an old one, and I apologize. So this is Diesel's Hog Vlogs. And there's his stickers. That is Brad. And he got a letter here. It says, hey brother, here's a couple stickers that Scouts just designed for me a few weeks ago. Yeah, that's been for months ago. Because it's been forever since I've opened this up. Hope all is well in your world. Randy, are you guys all free now? We're still locked down here in Republic of Canada, but that's another story. Take care, Brad. Yeah, that's an old letter, and Brad, I apologize. But appreciate it. Go check out his channels, or his channel. He's also on Instagram. Does a lot of great riding. He's really into making food. I mean, he's like a chef. I watch some of his videos and I'm starving to death afterwards, but they look so good. I know he gets a lot of views on those. I mean, I'm always looking for recipes to make something, so I get it. I totally understand, but go check out his channel. And next up, out of Texas, this is Salty and Sprinkles. That is a husband and wife. And they, I would think most people know who they are. They ride Indian, Salty rides an Indian Challenger. Awesome looking bike. He just put some bars on it. Looks really good. And Salty rides an Indian Scout, which I believe she put some, she's had a lot of upgrades, but one that I think I remember most is the O-Lean suspension that she did. I think she really liked that a lot. And I got a note here. It says, SinisterClutch, keep up the good work. Thanks for the support, Salty and Sprinkles. Thank you both. I really appreciate it. Keep up the great content. You guys got some adventures and stories to tell, and I really enjoy it. But that's it for this mail call. Again, go check out these channels. I'll leave a link in the description to their YouTube channels. Give them a chance. Check out their channels. If you like it, subscribe. Like their content. But that's it for this mail call. I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride. See ya.